Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from Manland. And today is Friday night, almost 11 p.m. I spent the entire day shooting my ability to start fires. Showing you some of my favorites, some that's not so favorite, especially the one at the very end. But anyway, I shot that video because I wanted to use it as an intro to show you a buddy of mine from the Voo2, which happened to be Drew. He started a fire using the hand drill at the very first rendezvous, and I didn't get it on camera. Well, at the Voo2, I had the privilege of being able to capture his fire starting on my cell phone. And at the very end of the cell phone footage, I mean, I had just enough memory to actually catch the cherry once he got it complete. So y'all, without further ado, I'd like to share that clip with you right here and right now. And remember, at the end when it cuts off, that was the end of my memory card. Now keep an eye out also for the video I've got upcoming on my fire starting abilities. I'm nowhere near as good as Drew, and I'll never do the hand drill, promise you. I don't think I'll ever do that. And when it comes to the bow drill, well, just watch the footage. Until next time, amateur artist Mark D. Chandler from Manland.
Do you get a bow with a curve in it, or have you gone to the straight stick?
I look for a piece of dead wood that has just a little bit
Just
of
a slight curve,
yeah, just a little bit.
Like a quick, just what you're doing to get it.
Oh yeah.
He didn't get the chance to come over here.
I really haven't said much about it yet, but this is just a piece of goldenrod, and I grabbed it when it was green, and I stripped off all the bark and everything, and then left it out in the sun to dry. And usually you want to use a pretty soft wood, but I'm about used up that board. It's about done for. So I'm trying it on this piece of oak, which is a little bit hard for this, but I'm going to try to get it to work anyhow.
How long do you have to leave it out in the sun to dry?
Just a couple of days, 2 days. As long as it's good and dry, it'll probably work.
You look for dead standing stuff that's up off the ground too. That'll speed up the process.
The goldenrod I've got there behind the store has got a hollow center. Is that hollow too?
Yeah, it's got kind of a
little pithy thing.
center.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Generally, anything that has a pith on the inside will work all right for this.
She's just smoking. Wow. I've never seen this done in real life.
I've decided that we're not going home.
You can clean this out?
I like you guys. Hi. I'm tired.
Sorry, this is Kathy. This is Smart's wife.
I'm his daughter. You're Manland? Mm-hmm. He's an interesting guy. I like him.
Very political.
Hey,
that's right.
Correct. You probably get along with my wife. I'm kind of chill like she is. Very laid back.
Your wife's name is Laurel, right? That's a beautiful name.
I see a lot of that dust building up good though.
We have 2 fur babies.
Oh.
We got a kitty and a dog.
We have a fur baby back at home. She's with my Zoni, yeah. She's with my grandma.
Yeah, that's what Aiden said.
I don't like it.
I see. Yes.
Come on.
Oh no, yes.
I think it went out.
Oh.
Did it go through? No, I had a little bitty ember, but it went out.
Drew,
Yes, sir.
I've got this right here, this little piece of pine.
I can't wait to be 25.
No, take your time.
Yes. Enjoy every moment of
That
it.
decade time.
And by the time you get 30, everything's party.
Well, thanks. We got something to look forward to.
Yeah. How old are you?
26.
Nice.
I'll be
Yeah,
27 the 24th.
That was the prime of my physical,
Well, happy birthday too.
Thank you, Pete.
abilities.
Yeah.
When you were 27, I was 6 years old.
How old are you?
17. Well, I was 8 years. No, I was 5 when you were 27. I was 6 when Mom was 27.
Not too early. Almost. There we go.
Just get it. Don't move.
No.
And we have an ember, folks.
It went out, didn't it?
We had it.
Yeah. It's still there, isn't it?
No, it went out.
Oh, nuts.
Had it for a second though.
What is that on the end of the, yeah, that. I was
And some of
wondering
the inner bark is fraying out.
What? But we haven't done it. This is great. We need to be there
When
when
we
I
went, we went in
When I went,
and wait 20 minutes off the drive. They was talking. There were people there, but the line.
That's the easy part.
Yeah. Yeah, the stuff there, baby.
when I went, Space Mountain was shut down. It's not uncommon.
It is fun.
My favorite was Black Mountain. Magic Kingdom was definitely the coolest, but Epcot was pretty cool.
You the Everest one?
Yeah.
I know.
And Wild
Smells
Kingdom.
so good.
It was either in Wild Kingdom or Epcot.
See, I couldn't get my wife to man up enough to go to the Everest one.
The only ride I didn't do was the 13-story tower drop.
Don't go out this time.
I can't do stuff like that. But I did everything else. The ACDC.
You kind of have to tense up though.
Ah, no.
Oh, yeah.
The Aerosmith roller coaster with the 7 loops.
Yeah.
That
Before your hands fall off.
Right.
Of course, if you're successful now, when I edit this thing, it's going to be like you did it right off the bat.
Oh, well, obviously, man. You can't just show me failing like 8 times in a row.
But that's the reality of it, though. That's,
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I do fail
That's the romantic thing about
quite a few times.
You still liquid?
I'm gonna title it "One Notch and One Try." Success. I mean, I can't even get the smoke. Period.
There we go.
I think you felt good about that. All right, now.
Nobody breathe hard.
There we
Look
got
at
it.
look at there.
Absolutely.
Somebody get some claps.
Padres.
I'm holding a cell phone.
Good job.